The biggest oak tree I've ever seen was in a forest in Germany. It was so tall and wide it made me feel like a tiny ant. S. Lewis that says, "Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny." Maybe we have to go through tough times to become the best version of ourselves. Maybe we have to fall to the ground and be knocked around a little bit to learn how to pick ourselves up and be strong. I don't know, it makes sense to me. I thought about how hard it must have been for that little acorn to grow into such a massive oak. It had to endure so much pressure and pain to become strong enough to withstand the storms and the droughts and the pests that tried to destroy it. But it didn't give up. It kept growing, and it became the biggest tree in the forest. And I started to think, how did this tree get so big? What was its secret? And then I saw this little acorn over here, fell from the tree, and it reminded me of a quote by C. And I realized that maybe the same is true for us.